Hello everyone. Today in this video I will explain how to open new account on our platform and how to restore password. To open to create a new account on the platform, and there are two options how to do this. First is to click button login, and this in this window, small window, choose create new account. Another option, it's you can do this from the page like introduction page here. Yeah, click this button, join now. The same window overlay appeared. Here you just all you need it's put your email address and click continue. The email will be sent to your address. Just check your inbox. Be sure that email is from Indopanen. Yeah, check the address. It should be postbox at hhvanilla.com. This how our email looks like. And just click on this button and you will be redirected to another web page where you can set your password. The password is contains 8 symbols. Might include special symbols, alphabetic and numeric symbols as well. After setting the password, you will be redirected to this our main page where you can log in already using your new password. Put this your email address you used for registration. And here the password. Click login. And here is your cabinet, your workplace, your office at Indopanen. Here you can see all tools we already created. This is the page where you will put all information about your business. There is no any mandatory information, yeah, except name and email. But of course, the more complete this form will be, the more attractive your account will look in the eyes of the buyer, yeah, the supposed buyer. So there is several more pages. Every page, every menu, it's a kind of tool, yeah, where you can set or manage your account. This page is about subscriptions. This one is about product you are selling or buying. So every member at Indopanen platform can be a seller and a buyer as well. So no need to make 2 accounts or look for other place. Everything you can do here. And now we are looking for the case when you need to restore the password. So first of all, you need to put your email address and click this button, restore password. And then you just need to wait for email from our system. Just check your email inbox. Here is the email from the system. Of course, always check the address. It should be from hhvanilla.com. Here you see the same page you already saw previously. Just put new password, confirm it, and click the button continue. So everything fine, everything changed, and now you will be redirected to front page.